Si Maris binuyo naman ang wikang Ingles.
You accuse me of ignorance?
No, I'm not ignorant because my master Francis Portatable teaches me ignorant.
You're indolent.
No, I'm not indolent, not because I have no will, but because I have no hope.
Oh, the possibilities.
Why I'm so beautiful?
Why are you crazy?
No, I'm not crazy. I'm just laughing, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That tao doesn't come here tonight to be judged.
but
To judge.
Josh, you what?
Given his accusations.
Sabi sa'yo.
What? You're just gone by the wind, and you will just appear like a plant, and tell me that you love me.
I hate you! Tayo, no?
Look at you, Pikachu. You're telling him that you didn't love her? Why? Doesn't he hate you? Oh my God, you're such a faithless. Sorry, girl. Oh my gosh, I'm hopeless. Because you're hopeless.
Labanan mo, labanan mo!
Oh my God, hopeless. I mean, speechless.
The time is walking, so don't waste time.
Oh my God, you don't have to Yes, Kuya, what are you saying?
Maris, I don't know. I really don't know. What is the meaning of this?